It's done, it's here, it's in. I like it. I like how it looks in here. It really does the thing I set out to do, at least to my eye. And I'm probably about as critical as anybody's ever going to look at it. And it's also a pleasure working with you on it to create a simple form out of complexity. And if you think about all the parts that are in this, and yet when it's done, it's one continuous shape. In terms of the physical nature of the piece, it's larger than life size. However, it's small enough to relate to the viewer. All my work is an expansion of the basic idea. And each one is an opportunity to see just how far I can go with it. Gravity plays into it, the engineering of it plays into it, but each one is an opportunity to try something new, try something different. One of the things about Indiewalls and Charter on this piece was pretty open. So it's nice having that much freedom, which usually I do have. This was probably one of the most open ones, and it made it a lot easier for me. I could design what was in my head.